Hello, today we're going to go over 511 factoring trinomials. Okay. What you're going to basically do is you're going to break apart and you're going to go about it by reversing the process. So before, when you had x plus 3 parentheses x plus 3, you did the FOIL method. Well, your answer is going to look like that. Okay. So you're going to just take the answer which you normally have been seeing, and you're going to go ahead and flip the process. Okay. Um, uh, let's just go over the problems right now. Okay. So let's just say we have x squared plus 7 plus 10. Okay. All right. So what we need to do is we need to figure this out and then this out by using the factors of 10. Okay. So you're going to try to find the factors of 10. So the first thing we can do, just so we can see a picture and we can kind of see visually, all right, is we're going to break this apart. We know that x times x is going to be like this. X times x is going to give us x squared. So now we're going to figure this out. Okay. So there's a couple things we can do. We're going to try the factors of 10. Okay. So we know 1 and 10. Okay. That's a factor. However, that won't give us this middle answer. Okay. So the next factor is 2 and 5. All right. 2 times 5 is 10. All right. Also, 2 plus 5 is 7. So therefore, our answer is going to be plus 2 plus 5. Okay. Now, if we were to go ahead and use the FOIL method, all right, okay, like we talked about in the last time, okay, we would simply get x squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. And after we combine like terms, we would have 7x. All right, 2x squared, 7x, and 10x. So that's how we know we did it correctly. Okay, let's move on to another one. As soon as I can erase everything. Okay. Another problem we can do is we can go x squared minus 13x plus 42. Okay. Well, we know we're going to have a pair of x's. Okay, we know we're going to have 2 parentheses. So we'll go x. Okay. Now we have to go the factors of 42. All right, we know 1 and 42 is one of them. We know, I'll just type this out. We know 1 and 42 is one of them. We know 2 times 21. Okay, let's go with 3 times 14. Okay, and then how about 4? Is a 4 there? Nope. Obviously, it's not 5 because they don't end in 0 and 5. So what about 6? So 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, now we look at these factors we have right here. Okay, any of these add up to 13. All right, 6 plus 7 adds up to 14. But how do we make it a negative 13? Well, we have to remember this is going to be a multiplication, okay, answer. So a negative times a negative is going to be a positive. So therefore, we have 6 and 7, and their answer is both going to be negatives. Okay. All right. And how we go about this, always check your answer. We're going to go back to the FOIL method. Okay. So we have x squared minus 7x minus 6x. And then lastly, plus 42. Because 6 times 7 is 42. Then we can combine like terms. Lost $7, lost 6 more. You lost a total of 13. So then our answer is negative 13x. So we have x squared, we have negative 13x, and then we have positive 42. Okay? And that is factoring trinomials.